Encountered a PXP file and nothing seems to open it? This is an uncommon extension used by specialized applications. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you figure out what created this file and how to access its contents. When we reach the final stage, we'll shift gears. We are going to maximize results with a single, highly effective PXP file inspection program that provides coverage for a wide range of formats. PXP files are uncommon files potentially associated with several specialized applications. They may be linked to WaveMetrics Igor Pro experiment files or other proprietary software packages. Identification depends on the context in which the file was found and what software was used in the originating workflow environment. PXP files lack a single universal specification. If associated with Igor Pro, they use a binary experiment format, storing data waves, graphs, layouts, procedures, and notebook content. For other applications, the format varies. File header inspection and contextual information from the originating system help identify the correct format. The proprietary opener for the PXP file structure is typically unknown software by unknown developer. Metadata editing, crucial for this file, requires a specific application beyond standard Windows viewers. Windows cannot process obsolete formats, so archival utilities must be used. We are initiating the compatibility check. Right-click your PXP file and choose Open With. Your best bet is unknown software. Test it now. If it's unavailable, select another listed application to check its reading ability. If your PXP file isn't cooperating, don't worry. Your system failed to open the PXP file. We need to bypass the failure by running these 3 crucial diagnostic steps right now. First, trying Igor Pro. If the PXP file originates from a scientific or engineering context, try opening it in WaveMetrics Igor Pro, which uses PXP as its experiment file format. Igor Pro loads the complete experiment, including data waves, graphs, analysis procedures, and layout windows for scientific data analysis and visualization. Next, inspecting file contents. Open the PXP file in a hex editor such as HxD to examine the file header for identifying signatures. Igor Pro. PXP files contain a recognizable header structure. If the header does not match Igor Pro's format, the file belongs to a different application and requires alternate identification methods. Finally, contacting the source. If you cannot identify the PXP file's origin, contact the person or system that provided it to determine the originating application. Once identified, install the correct software to open the file. If the application is unavailable, request an export to a universal format such as CSV, PDF, or common image formats. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. When your file is still locked, it means the file's header or structure is truly obscure. Don't waste time. FileMagick is built for this. It opens hundreds of formats and can be found at filemagick.com. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.